Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself, Mitu Akhtar, MBA final year, Department of Management, session 2021-2022, Government Commerce College, Chattogram. First of all, I would like to thanks to my respective Nitu Chaudhuri ma'am who have supervised me very well to complete my term paper and motivate me to doing my presentation. So here I am starting my presentation. My presentation on the base on performance measurement and key performance indicator KPIs. Introduction. Successful strategy implementation. The success of a strategy is not determined by its definition and documentation. Some of the greatest strategies have been defined carefully with great thought and insight. They are masterpieces that could not be faulted other than being left on the shelf in head offices around the world and never implemented. Most companies and organizations are good at defining strategy. Very few are good at successfully implementing strategy. When a strategy has been defined, one of the most troublesome tasks an organization faces, and is often the reason implementation fail, is developing meaningful objective and their associated key performance indicator KPIs. This task has to be structured. Without a good methodology to create objective and KPIs, a strategy will never be successfully implemented. Developing meaningful KPIs. The following methodology provides a guide toward the process of developing clear objective and their performance indicator KPIs to support a strategy. It describes the process to ensure that KPIs have target and owners. It shows how to build KPIs that provide evidence the objectives are being met or not. It does not end their thought. One KPIs have been defined, they need to be a present percentage in a way that the will ensure accurate interpretations. The methodology. It does not end their thought once KPIs have been defined. They need to be a percentage in a way that will ensure accurate interpretations. The methodology provides examples of KPIs automation that shows how to link interpretations to action, thus moving an organization closer to its objective and ultimately its strategy. The methodology has 7 steps as follows. Number 1, create objective. Number 2, describe result. Number 3, identity measures. Number 4, define thresholds. Number 5, upload structured data. Number 6, interpret result. And number 7, take action. Performance measurement KPIs. What are performance measurement KPIs? A key performance indicator KPIs is often referred to as a performance measure or a matrix. This is perfectly valid. The important thing is the definition, not the level. It matrix is term generally used in your organization, then use it. In a formal balanced scorecard structure as defined by the Balanced Scorecard Institute, the term performance measure is used. More frequently is business KPIs is used for the purpose or brevity. The term KPI will be used for these documents. A key performance indicator is sometimes that can be counted and compared. It provides evidence of the degree to which an objective is being attained over a specific time. In conclusion, the methodology has a primary goal to ensure that valid KPIs can be created, monitored, and acted upon to ensure that the right objectives are established and that they contribute to an organization strategy. Here are a few things that need reinforcement. The golden rule KPIs are based on objective. There is no reason for a KPIs to exist unless it is contributing to an objective. Think about objective in terms of result. They should have a trainable element, sometimes that can be measured. Objective should use words that relate to how we physically uh, perceive things in the world. This is good technique to sense check. You are on the right track. When creating a KPI is need to be clearly described based on an objective, rate in terms of importance and assigned ownership. There should be a good mix of leaf and leg. KPIs do not really heavy a leg measures they cannot influence to. And finally, review your scorecard structure at least every 6 months. We have a tendency to consider this as an annual job. In today's environment, that is not good enough. Keep competitive, keep on top of your KPIs. Thank you for listening.